NEC Section 250.118 states that metallic raceways that are bonded at both ends and are connected to a grounding electrode system in accordance with Section 250.50 are acceptable as equipment grounding conductors for the circuits and equipment contained in the raceway. Section 215.2 defines feeders as conductors that supply power to a panel board or other distribution point. Although Section 250.118 mentions circuits contained in a raceway, it does not explicitly exclude feeders. According to the NEC Style Manual, the term circuits includes feeders. Therefore, it is acceptable to use the conduit itself as an equipment grounding conductor for the feeder conductors, provided certain conditions are met. These conditions are: firstly, the conduit is bonded at both ends with a bonding jumper, and secondly, the conduit is connected to a grounding electrode system in accordance with NEC Section 250.50. A number 6 jumper is sufficient for grounding the conductors within the conduit, as it meets the requirements of NEC Section 310.15b5 for grounding conductors in raceways. To implement this alternative grounding method, firstly, install a bonding jumper between the conduit and the panel board at the distribution point. Secondly, install a bonding jumper between the conduit and the disconnect switch where the conductors enter the conduit. Thirdly, connect the conduit to the grounding electrode system at the disconnect switch end. Fourthly, run a number 6 grounding jumper from the grounding point on the conduit to the grounding terminal on the unit. Using the conduit as an equipment grounding conductor for the feeder conductors is a viable alternative, provided the NEC conditions are met. This method allows you to avoid the need to demo and reinstall larger pipe while still ensuring proper grounding and safety.